What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Dogecoin. We're going to be going over some technicals with Dogecoin and pretty much what we got going on next. And we're going to be talking about some of the whales that's inside Dogecoin and what they're doing. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go over Dogecoin. First thing I want to talk about here with Dogecoin, the 24-hour market control is literally being controlled by the bulls, or not the bulls, the bears by 80%. So right now, it pretty much shows that we're 80% bearish. We couldn't break out of this 18-cent resistance over here, so now we're going on the downtrend here. So I do want to mention a few things here. So you can see over here our supply and demand. The green area is showing more demand. So we're slowly but surely trending back down to the green supply and demand area. Look over here. We hit that green area. The second we hit that green supply and demand area, we had a reversal and we actually went back on an uptrend. But now we're back on a strong downtrend. So pretty much what you're going to see here, let me go ahead and draw this line here. So this supply and demand area right here is going to actually be broken. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to probably end up breaking this one, going all the way down to this supply and demand area, and then bouncing back up to it, to the previous supply and demand area, and then probably stopping right here at this supply and demand area as well, and then going back down to this one possibly, and then possibly going down to that next supply and demand area down there. So this supply and demand area down here is the 15 cents area. So right now we're at 1661. And then this supply and demand area right here, this one is about the 1580, 1550. So it's pretty much inevitable that we hit 15 cents. So pretty much we're going to hit 15 cents very soon. And this is going to be the buying opportunity that Dogecoin presents for the week, for the weekend, whatever you want to say. But anyways, this is going to be the buying opportunity that we're going to be seeing here for Dogecoin. So I do want to mention a few other things here with Dogecoin, and I want to talk about the buying opportunity that could quite possibly be coming for the people right now inside the near future for Dogecoin. So let's talk about it. Dogecoin presents buying opportunity before Doge hits 34 cents. They're predicting that Doge hits 34 cents right now. So Dogecoin price shows signs of bottom developing. So point and figure charts await confirmation of a new bull market. The early entry zone could trigger a 75% gain for Dogecoin. Now, I want to mention this. If we see Dogecoin do that, we're going to see everything else going on a rise. We're probably going to see Bitcoin get back to 50K, 55K. So that's probably what we would see if Dogecoin hit 34 cents. Now, the likelihood of this happening, I don't know. We're going to be going over that soon, though. So let's go over that. So Dogecoin price has frayed the nerves of both bulls and bears alike. Bears especially have been on the more painful end of the Dogecoin trade due to their inability or lack of desire to push Dogecoin into a flash crash towards single digits. Now, it's going to be pretty hard, very hard for them to do that. You got to think about it. The overall crypto market is what we really got to look at, not just Dogecoin. So when you're doing these technical analysis, it would make sense to look at Bitcoin more than you look at Dogecoin, because Bitcoin is really going to show you exactly where the overall crypto market is going to go. So right now, we are seeing a lot of bearish stuff pretty much. So I do want to mention that even though we are going on a downtrend here, when we bottom out here, there's going to be so much momentum pretty much when we bottom out, so much momentum that it's definitely going to be quite possible for us to hit 35 cents, actually even more than 35 cents with all the momentum that we could build up just by bottoming out. So 8 cents Dogecoin is definitely needed. I definitely want to see Dogecoin hit 8 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent. Imagine how many people would buy the dip if they seen it dip that hard. Imagine how many people would just dump their money into Dogecoin just to watch it go all the way up to the moon. Yes, they would sell out when it went all the way up to the top, but still, that would still be really nice gains right there. Anyways, Dogecoin price shows action, or Dogecoin price action shows a new bull market has already started. So Dogecoin price action on the 5-3 box point and figure chart shows the prior bear market angle was broken when Dogecoin moved to 21 cents. After breaking that bear market angle, the point and figure chart converted into a bull market. So ever since the bulls or the bearish trend line was broken, however, Doge has pushed lower. So you can see what they're talking about here anyways, but I don't believe that we are actually on a bullish run here. Yes, we did have this huge increase here, and we are slowly but surely trickling down to our previous supply demands, but I don't think that's the start of it. I think that this is a bull trap. So they may be mistaken there. Me personally, I think this is a bull trap, but hey, let's keep going over this. So over here, you can see the current retracement has undoubtedly shaken the resolve of many holders and buyers who are still on the sidelines. So one interesting facet of our facet of a point in figure chart analysis is interpreting the change of a market from bull to bear or bear to bull. The initial corrective move, throwback or pullback, is not viewed as a weakness but a sign of strength. So they're pretty much saying that this pullback here that we had, this whole area here, is pretty much a sign of strength. That's what they're saying here for the FX tree. They're saying this whole jump right here, the bull trap that I call it, is they're saying it's a sign of strength. Pretty much momentum that's about to build up from this pullback. So let's keep going over this though. There is a phenomenal early entry opportunity now on Dogecoin price on the point figure chart is pretty much what they're saying. So the theoretical long opportunity is a buy stop order at the three box reversal off the current columns of zeros, currently at the 1950 area. A 4 box stop loss currently at 17 cents, a profit target at 33.5 completes the long setup. So a 3 box trailing stop would help protect any implied profits post entry. So here is the stop that they're talking about at 1750. And then I don't know. I do want to mention right here, like this is definitely a bull trap. Let me know in the comments what you all think this is. Do you all think this is a bull trap? Do you think crypto is about to just take off right now, or do you think we're probably going to go on one more downtrend, one more flash crash before we actually have this uptrend that everyone's talking about? Everyone's talking about the bullish momentum that we're about to get, the buying opportunity that we're being presented. This is definitely a buying opportunity, but I believe we may have another flash crash, like one more, before we actually go on an uptrend. Anyways, this could happen or it could not happen. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully we just go straight to the moon from here. But hey, no one really knows. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But anyways, the long setup remains valid as long as Dogecoin price remains above the bull market trend line. So if it prints a box that breaks that angle, the long idea is no longer valid. So hopefully we can actually continue to just rise with Dogecoin. But you know, the crypto market does not work like that. It doesn't just rise, and never drop. But anyways, over here you can see Dogecoin only down 4.8% in the last 48 hours. We're actually up 1.1% in the last 7 days. And then we're down 16.9% in the last 14 days. But anyways, let's talk about the whales, like I said earlier. So we have whales doing big movements here. This whale came in on the 14th with a whole of $1 billion. Now they're at 900 million. So they literally lost $174 million inside of like 5 days. And they didn't really lose it yet because they didn't sell yet. But I do want to mention a few things. You see this $12 Dogecoin transaction here? Remember how Robinhood said that they were testing out transactions? Maybe this is a Robinhood wallet. This is the number 2 whale wallet. I'll show you this. So over here, Dogecoin rich list. And you can see right here, number 2. This is the number 2 Dogecoin wallet. So maybe Robinhood is doing some transactions, testing things out. Because look over here, $48. They did mention that they were going to be transacting like 40 or something dollars like that to try to see if if the wallets are working. So they're definitely buying lots of Dogecoin. This may be the Robinhood one back there. But anyways, over here you can see this Dogecoin one has pretty much $67.1 million. That's a lot of money right there. 67.1 million one-time order earlier yesterday, but now they're at 61.9. So anyways, hopefully they hold it, because if they sell, they're gonna lose a lot of money. But anyways, this Dogecoin well came in a few days ago on the 14th, 75.9 million. Now they're at 63.6. So really, a lot of these Dogecoin whales are incentivized to hold because a lot of them are down. So if they keep holding, they won't be down for long. Anyways, this Dogecoin whale came in earlier today at 30.8 million. Now they're at 30.2. So these are all significant purchases purchased all within the last few days. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to show you the technical analysis for today and what we could quite possibly do in the near future, and also wanted to show you these whales. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.